Hey, so why am I passionate about selling on Amazon and how I've gotten to a point of selling a few millions of dollars worth of goods via the Amazon FBA system? I want to share it with you in this video and hopefully help you if you're looking to start, or if you're already selling, maybe give you some motivation to continue. So recently I got challenged by my friends at Helium 10 to basically create such a video of my story, why am I passionate about it, and how I've gotten to the point where I am. So I'm doing it. So Helium 10 is software for Amazon sellers. I'm using it myself as a seller. In the description, you have free trial, best discounts, and a playlist with over 200 tutorials that show you how to use the software. Pretty good software. So while doing this video, I'm going to be showing you some cool art that me and my friends did here. So why am I passionate about selling Amazon? Like, what the hell? Like, what's so cool about it, in my opinion? Now, first, there are hardships. It's not that easy. It's not all butterflies and whatever rainbows and all this good stuff. A lot of it is like it's really cool because it gives you location freedom. Okay, so currently I'm traveling. I've been traveling the world for the last 2 years, and I'm running my Amazon FBA business along with my YouTube business and all this online education thing I'm doing. So I'm still selling actively on Amazon since 2016. In 2018, I started the YouTube game, and I have a few blogs at volvevan.com and whatnot. So there you can learn more about what I do and get some free content. We have no paid products. Everything is free. You can only support our project and mission through basically using our affiliate links. So if you ever use Helium 10 link to sign up, then I'm going to get a little commission from that. No extra cost to you, but in this way you can support basically the free content we're providing. But I'm passionate about selling on Amazon because of location freedom. It gives you time freedom because you choose the times you work at. And if you know how to set up a team, and if you know how to basically systemize things, then you can create a life for yourself where you are working in the time that you choose. It takes a while. It's not as simple. You have to learn a lot, read some books, maybe go through some courses, but Amazon FBA is such a business that allows you to have this opportunity. Now, for example, I have never been to United States where we do sell. I've never been to China where we source. It's all done online. Only recently I went to Canada and we also sell there, but that was my first time, and we've been selling there for like 3 years beforehand. So I love it, and there are some challenges to it, but it's enjoyable. You also get to create, at least with private label side of things on Amazon, you get to create your own label of products. So you design them, you give them their own story, you do all the process of basically building a brand of products. I think it's really cool. I love it because my creative talents, I guess, can be nurtured through this business. Okay, for example, this is some of the stuff I did, and down here, some stuff of my friends. So it's beautiful. And so that's why I'm passionate about it. And also how I've gotten to the point where I'm still a seller and have had some success in this business as well. Continuous learning. And so continuously learn about the Amazon itself and all around it. So how to be a better seller. I listen to other sellers. I mingle with sellers. I go to masterminds and stuff like that. This helps me stay in the realities of today because it changes fast. The internet changes fast and Amazon and whatnot. So yeah, that helps. And I think also the will to become a full-time entrepreneur. Like I wanted initially to quit my job and just make money from my business. So that also gives something towards my success, I guess, because initially I wanted not just a side hustle, I wanted to become a full-time entrepreneur. I wanted to become rich and quit my job as well. So I'm likely to say I've gotten there. Now, of course, riches, I definitely did quit my job, but though riches is something, someone might be a billionaire and they say I'm not, I'm making like a few tens of thousands of dollars a month, and I'm feeling rich for sure, and I have everything I need, and I'm in a good position to help my family and other people that are in need. So I'm glad to donate these days as well. So so that also keeps me going. Also the info business that we have, like all this informational business, also what you're seeing here actually now, I really love it because I love sharing my journey and basically help others progress in what they're doing, and we're doing it all for free. There's a business behind it in terms of like, if you want to support us, you're welcome to use, for example, the Helium 10 link in the description to sign up for their service. And then we can get some money from that deal, so we can create more and more free content for you. There's no paid wall, and I think it's pretty cool. So we have a few blogs, valveadmin.com, this YouTube channel. So I guess what partially brings success in this and in the Amazon business, I think it's passion. Like, I really love it. I'm not saying that you gotta necessarily love what you do, but it might develop with time. So give it time, try. You know, like, it's hard. It's not good time to quit before you started. You know, and that happens a lot. Sometimes it's legit, but see if it's something that continuously happens to you. If you're always starting something and finishing it, like, be real with yourself. If it's so, then think what you could do. And what else I will tell you? Keep going and keep growing, and everything is possible. And connect to good people, help others. And yeah, in the description, you're going to find free trial of Helium 10 with the best discounts. And I hope this was useful for you, someone inspiring, and I'm wishing you a great life. See you in the next video.